Happy Tuesday, everyone. Hopefully, you guys are all doing well and had a good start to the week yesterday and kind of getting into a groove on how to do a lot of these tasks that we are asking of you. So, just to jump right into it, the week at a glance, when you guys click into that one, you'll notice it is kind of a busy day of meetings for some of you. Down towards the bottom of our Tuesday, April 21st here, on the middle of this column, we will know that Mr. Lund's class meets with Mr. Moeller at 9 o'clock. You can click right into there on the Zoom, and there's the password. 10 o'clock, Miss Mickelson's group is meeting with Miss Mills, and then also Miss Paulzine at 2 p.m. You'll have a meet as well. So those are three big ones that are new for that Tuesday, and you can click right into those things, or for something like bands, you can click down below in our specials now where you can click into those ones that you saw starting yesterday. So that is kind of big for today for our meetings. Also, our Imagine 5 small group hangouts will begin again today. Mickelson's groups at 1 and 1:30, and then I have groups today as well as 1, 1:30, and 2. So be sure to check in on your groups, and this is how you're getting credit for your math again for the week. So be sure that if you can't make the group, that you're always contacting us or trying to find us in a way, so you can make up some of the work if needed. Homework for the week. We've been starting to do some tweeting for the episode 6 through 10 here. So continuing on this week. So watch episode 8. You guys are going to tweet again. Had some really creative ones come in last week. So nicely done with that. Remember, you are a fictional character. Be sure to post some of those really main things that are on there. So in that tweet, make sure you're posting as a historical figure and it's accurate. Make sure there's something in there about history, so it's not just one little comment here or there to another character, but it's something important that maybe you learned and that they're trying to get across, or something in history. And then be sure to add two hashtags in at the end that connect into it. And now, one thing that's really important that I'm finding some kids are working ahead, please just put the episode on there. So here's one that we had somebody do that was good, Ethan Allen, and they put episode 7 right in there. Another one in Seesaw as well. So we can find out who's talking about it or which episode it's in. And that really helps us out. And then put it right into that social studies folder, that pink one. That one really helps. The only difference, things that you'll need in there, is that refugee is meeting today. So go ahead and click into there to see which groups that you are going to meet with. And we're getting closer to the end of our small groups for literature circles. So make sure you guys are filling out your questions and trying to answer those to the best of your ability. 2, 3 full sentences would be great for each of those questions, since there are only about 4 questions in there for each group. All right, hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, and be sure to reach out to us with questions.